Ka Central Executive Committee jong ka Hill State People's Democratic Party ni Hspdp menta ka santri unay tung kalayat hir bakala Donkam ban Khyllie Biang ya ka Bhah Thungkam ni ka reservation policy jong ka Jylla hadin sampus ne menta ulaong bakamat election ka party on kenthop lang ya kani kamat kum kawai ka ba kongsan Bhah ha kawai pat kalyang ulaong ba ke Hspdp kan beteng ban bot din ya ka jingdawa ban yo no ya ka Jylla ni ka khasi jantia state uba panyang ulaong ba ka party kaladan ka jingekren bat ka Garo National Council ka badawa lem ban yo ya ka Garo state.
We feel like that we need to and we need to revisit it because we cannot deny the fact that the 40% ratio or quota, we feel like that if you base the population available in the Khasi and Jaintia area is bigger than the population we can avail from the origins. So when we speak about so-called equality, reservation, jobs reservation, we feel appropriate that we need to relook it again so that it will be for the better and interest of the youth of our people, especially in the Khasi and Jaintia. Otherwise, the present percentage or quota of 40%, no doubt that with the people of our Khasi and Jaintia, they will not equal right, equal opportunity. So we need to look it once again on to relook it and to even to review it. So, but final call will be taken after we sit in, and again we will think, we will take a call, a final call, and we will try to get more, information. What is the best solution with regard to this present reception policy? The only solution, the only solution for the larger interest of the people of Garo Hills as well as the people of Meghalaya, of Khasi and Jaintia Hills. Creation of separate state is the only solution. That is the vision that we could see from our party. But since this dream is yet to come, so at least we need that. This reception, we feel fit to say that we need to relook and to revisit it. It will come as one of the main issue in our manifesto, so that we can, sensitize it to the entire people of our state. At the same time, we feel that one day this dream will happen or will come into being. So we have to sensitize it. We will put it in the public domain in our manifesto. At the same time, we have had talk and close discussion with Garudan peoples there, that let us have a meeting time and again, and from the Garudan's leaders also, they want this issue that we have to go side by side.
How many times